You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself.
Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. I know you don't know who this man is.
Why?
I don't know if they're going to flip out when they realize you don't have a beard or
What?
really any facial hair. I can't think of a vlog that y'all have seen within the last year or two that you didn't have at least a goatee.
No.
Yes.
I mean, I'd have to shave every year.
I know, but I don't think we ever film when you have to shave.
Why?
Because people always ask, does Cody always have a beard?
Yeah. Most
He
of the
does.
time.
He does. So today is baby shower day. And we are the most late we've ever been to anything in our life.
It's currently 3:36.
It started 36 minutes ago.
Oh, the cows is up.
Oh, you spread some
Never mind,
cows?
that's a stump.
That's a darn tree stump. Anyway, so we're on the way, late but on the way.
We're almost there.
Yeah, we're almost there. I was having some, I don't know if I'm just really anxious, but all week I've been having these really anxious feelings, like my heart was racing, like I just couldn't calm down. I brought it up to the doctor. She was trying to get me to go to a cardio something or another and wear a heart monitor, and I said, pump the brakes, pump the brakes. How about I check my heart rate, make sure it's actually racing before I go and do all of that. She said, okay, do you have anything to check your heart rate with? So it's not really high. It wasn't high. She checked it for me when we were in there the other day. It was like 88 or something. I'm sorry if it's bright. Maybe that's better.
What was she considering high?
I think like in the hundreds is probably high, like you've worked out or something, and I've just been sitting still. So mine got up to the highest a while ago was 98. And I guess maybe it's because I'm probably super anxious because we're late. So I'm not stressing it too much. And they're calling to see where we're at. Hello?
Don't just pull up in that parking lot without telling me you have some.
Okay, we are, how many?
Probably get her about 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
If that.
3 minutes.
Yeah,
If that.
if that. Maybe 2.
All right.
Okay.
Kelsey's walking you in.
Oh, okay. I got an
Okay.
escort. All right.
That's right.
All right.
Peace out.
Peace out. They don't want me to go in. They keep texting and say, don't you dare just walk up in here. And I'm like, they must have $1 million for me just sitting there in the middle of the room or something. Cody doesn't know how to feel about all of this attention that we're getting.
I don't like it.
He doesn't like it at all. I've never had a party thrown for me ever in my whole life. Except I did have a graduation party and that was totally a surprise. I wasn't expecting none of that. But I normally throw everything for myself. Like I used to throw my own birthday parties. So, this should be interesting. I have no idea what anything looks like. Nothing. I helped pick the menu for the food and I told them what I would like it to look like. But I honestly don't know.
Hold tight.
I honestly don't know anything. But here's my dress. Can't really, it's so bright.
Does it look white?
You can see the color better right there. You kind of have the same color on. Pretty much the same color. Here we go, guys. I know one thing, I'm hungry. Food better be great. I'm nervous. Okay, let's go, let's go. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Look! Oh, there's a sign! Look! Oh! pretty. Look how balloons. Oh, there's favors. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm crying already. I was like, who's that over there? Hey, thank you for coming. You done this? Which chair is mine? Any kind of chair I want. Okay. Okay. Look how pretty. You done that rose? What, this? What'd you do? Oh my gosh. I am tripping. Come on this side. I don't know what to look at. There's so much stuff. Oh, look how pretty. You done that. Oh, this is pretty. Look at my people. Watch it. It's so...
I wouldn't catch you in your moment of like a moment of power, being powered up.
Trying to take it out. Oh my gosh. Do I get to open presents over there? Yes. Yes, you do. You get open presents wherever you want to open presents. I got to pee and I can't even go. Don't pee. Okay, so pretty. No, I'm trying to make my rounds and I can't. Ooh, I'm excited about this. They even got all little matching signs. I cannot deal. I am so overwhelmed. Oh my gosh. I love it. Look at all the baby bags. Baby bags. You see all the food.
Oh, whatever.
Okay. Please write your name and address on an envelope. Ooh. I'm excited to play this.
Why are you videoing yourself eating? And put this on your mouth when you're done eating because you ain't got not a lick of color on it. I know. It's chapstick, so it's not like bright.
Oh, damn. You know how I am.
I'm just letting you know.
Thank you.
That dress looks
I'll
good
fix her up. Thank you.
It does.
I'm pretty sure the tag's still on it. No, this is ASOS. This is declared. Oh, I didn't send you declared. Oh, where was I thinking? I keep getting my conversations mixed up with people. Clearance.
Where's chapstick at?
Right here, honey. She slung it on the table.
I thought it was in there.
No, that's my mirror to put it on.
But y'all match.
I know.
Somewhat.
No, it's like the same.
Yeah. I love all of this. I wish my wedding
I
was
asked
like
your
this.
daughter, but she didn't know neither. I'm trying to like not Google. I'm not pregnant. I'm just fat.
Dunce.
I'm trying.
That dress is
No,
his.
it's real.
I can't deal with her.
You mean just take the stuff off?
Yes.
Oh no, the chocolate's coming with it.
Oh, that's in my liver, so soft. Not so soft.
I'm waiting for that chocolate.
So soft.
Take it off. I'm going to just
Good though.
and then you
Everyone who brought diapers, could you guys write your name on the card?
If you brought diapers.
If you brought diapers.
If you did, you better write your name, because we're about to give out a treat. Honey, drama.
Come on. You gotta.
And announce it. Swirl them, swirl them. Honey. She sure did.
Let's see. Anna!
Where did I put it? Oh gosh. Conspiracy.
Hey, huh?
Huh?
Careful with that.
Okay.
Watch.
Now, you didn't tell me about that. I can't tell you everything. And over there, George is coming. And she's
That's my hymn.
All right. Ready?
What are we doing?
You gotta change the diaper on. You gotta put the diaper on the baby.
All right. How long did it? There you go.
3, go.
Where the devil is this person? How do you get the young? Don't help me.
Wait, go, Aria. No, you don't take the clothes off. Put the diaper on. You just have to put the diaper.
He's trying to make the youngin' nude.
Usually she is, naturally.
Honey, this one needs a bigger diaper.
This is the smallest, biggest baby. Yay!
Yay!
Okay, you can look. She's too young.
I can't see that.
think about you putting the diaper on it at night. And it's dark.
That's the back.
Give it back. Oh,
Yes.
I couldn't feel this darn thing.
Number 1. D.
Lady Trimmin was Cinderella?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Got that
E.
right.
Yes.
Yes.
Number 3. L.
Yes.
Number 4. N. Yes.
Got that right.
Number
Okay.
5. 8. Yes. Number 6. G. No.
I. Is it I? Yeah.
Hold on.
King David and Queen Leah.
I had them backwards.
Backwards.
7.
Backwards.
K.
K. 8. M. Yes. 9 is B. Yes. 10 is O. Yes. 11 is J. Yes. 12 apparently is G. Yes.
Yeah.
13 is H. Yes. 14 is F. Yep. 15 is C.
Whose paper's this? Whoever this is got 100.
Who did that? Me. No, I don't know.
I don't know. Watch this dance. Okay. Which one? Which backdrop? Okay.
Look,
Everybody
I'm
wants the
gonna
balloons.
take it for the longest like this.
Look.
Can somebody take it with my phone?
Come on, Kel. I've just nominated Kelsey to take. You go ahead over there. Yeah. Look how beautiful. She got it down. They're taking everything down. But I'm just sitting here. Honey, poor Kelsey. Watch her. Look at her. She's barely making it.
Feed her, feed her.
Why you drink out of that bottle? One of them. I mean, it's going to deflate, so it don't really matter. She said was going to release them into the air. Release.
Let them be.
But the baby shower turned out great. Fantastic. We took a lot of pictures, so I'll put some pictures in. I'm tired. I've been tired the whole time.
There's fish line everywhere.
That's my bra. Oh gosh. I'm so tired. Well, we've loaded up.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.